Hello friends from Tia Foundation, my name is Tania Lopez, I'm a bartender and today we're gonna make Cazuelitas. This is a tequila cocktail made from citrus and it's very fresh, very traditional from Jalisco. So we're gonna start to put salt on the rim. So just a lemon, half a lemon. And rim with salt. So next we're gonna use a pinch of salt and we're gonna add the ice. Plenty of ice. Then we're gonna use a simple syrup, 1 ounce of simple syrup. Simple syrup is easy to make at home. Just 1 part of sugar, 1 part of water, put it in the heat and wait until the sugar dissolves. We're going to use 8 ounces of grapefruit juice. Four ounces of orange juice. 1 ounce of lemon, and 1 ounce of lime. If you don't get a hold of lime, you can use lemon, it's okay. And I'm going to use 3 ounces of tequila, the tequila of your choosing. And we're going to top it with sparkling water. Stir a little bit to blend the salt. And you can use it for decoration, some citrus wedges. This is orange. This time of the year, orange looks a little bit green, but still orange. This beverage is great for 2 people, so add 2 straws and enjoy. Thank you very much, and if you like these recipes, do not forget to click on the bottom and donate to Tia Foundation. Thank you.